Hello everyone, hope you're all doing good. So friends, today let us understand what is the empirical formula in statistics and how it is useful. Now friends, what are the three common measures of central tendency we have learned? Yes, they are mean, median and mode. Now there is a formula that connects all three of them. That is known as the empirical formula. Now the formula is mode equals to 3 times the median minus 2 times the mean. Okay, now this formula is used when we want to find out one quantity from the remaining two quantities without using the actual raw data directly. Okay, so friends, let's try out a few questions and see how this works. So friends, in this question, the ages of people in a concert are given. So these are the ages and we have to find the median and mode, and hence we have to find mean by the empirical formula. Okay, so friends, first let's find out what is the median and mode. Now what we mean by mode? Yes, mode is that data which occurs the maximum number of times. So here if you see, yes, 24 comes 2 times, right? There is no other observation which comes 2 times. So the mode of this data is 24 years. Very easy. Okay. Now let's see how to find the median. What do we mean by median? Yes, it is the middlemost observation. But for that, yes, we need to arrange this in the ascending order. So friends, let me arrange this. So in the ascending order, it will be 15, then 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, there are two 24s, 25, 26 and 30. I hope I got all this right. Okay, now how many observations are there? Yes, if you see, there are 11 observations. So my n is going to be 11. When the total number of observations is odd, what is the median position? Do you remember that formula? Yes, it is n plus 1 the whole divided by 2. Yes, this is the formula for the median position. So since n is 1, 11 plus 1 divided by 2, which is 12 by 2, which is the 6th position, friends. Okay, so shall we see the 6th position over here? Yes, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, so the median is going to be 22. Okay, that is the middlemost observation. So we have got the mode, we have got the median. Now, using these two, how are we going to find the mean? Yes, we are going to use the empirical formula. So shall we write the empirical formula? What is it? Yes, it is going to be mode is equal to 3 times the median minus 2 times the mean. Okay, so let's substitute. Mode is going to be 24 is equal to 3 into median is 22 minus 2 times the mean. We have to find this value. So 24 is equal to 66 minus 2 times the mean. So let me bring this whole term over there. Okay, so I will get 66 minus 24. So 66 minus 24 is 42. This is 2 times the mean. So what is my mean value? 42 divided by 2, which is 21, friends. So the mean of this data is 21 years. This we got using the empirical formula. Now friends, for curiosity, I just tried calculating the actual mean. Do you remember the formula for the actual mean? Yes, it is sigma xi divided by n. So when I added all these observations, I got 240. You can also check it out, divided by 11, which is approximately 21.81 years, friends. You can check it out. So you can see that both these values are approximately very close to each other. So this empirical formula gives a value which is very close to the actual value. So friends, let's take another example. Here the mean of the data is given as 29, median is 30. We have to find the mode. So we can directly use the empirical formula. What is it? Yes, mode is equal to 3 times the median minus 2 times the mean of the data. So mode we have to find 3 times the median is 30 minus 2 times the mean. So this is going to be 90 minus 58, which is 32. So the mode of the data is going to be 32. Friends, here is one last question. The mean is 53, the mode is 52.5. We have to find the median. Again, let's use the formula. Mode is equal to 3 times the median minus 2 times the mean. So mode is going to be 52.5. 3 times, we don't know what is the median. 2 times the mean. I hope you got this. So 52.5. Friends, 53 into 2 comes out to be 106. So let me just bring this over here. So 52.5 plus 106 is 3 times the median. Now when I add these two, I will get 158.5, friends. Okay, equal to 3 times the median. So what is the median? Yes, it is 158.5 divided by 3. Now this comes out to be approximately 52.83. So the median of the data is 52.83. So friends, this is how we have to use the empirical formula in statistics. So friends, for practice, do try out this question and let me know your answers in the comment section below. So till we meet again, take care.